Notre Dame, a symbol of Paris and a masterpiece of Gothic architecture, faced a devastating fire in April 2019. As the flames were extinguished, a new chapter of discovery began. In the wake of the fire, archaeologists were granted unprecedented access to excavate beneath the cathedral. What they found was beyond anyone's expectations. Led by Christophe Besnier, the team from the National Institute for Preventive Archaeological Research began their work. Initially given only 5 weeks, they unearthed over 1,000 fragments of art and historical artifacts. Among the treasures were magnificent sculptures that had been lost for centuries, including a piece of a sculpture of Jesus. These artifacts, now on display at the Musée de Cluny, offer a glimpse into the rich history of Notre Dame. These discoveries not only enrich our understanding of Notre Dame's past, but also highlight the resilience and enduring legacy of this iconic cathedral. As restoration efforts continue, the treasures found beneath Notre Dame remind us of the layers of history waiting to be uncovered and the stories yet to be told. Notre Dame will rise again, not just as a symbol of faith and architecture, but as a testament to the enduring spirit of discovery and preservation. This is Notre Dame, where history and future meet.